Everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a very casual get ready with me. I'm literally sitting on my floor. I just woke up and the first thing I wanted to do was film this video. I'm trying to film a few more casual videos on my channel. They're my favorite to watch. They're my favorite to film. So we're just doing a very casual get ready with me. I'm super excited because I finally got my hands on the KVD Vegan Beauty Good Apple Foundation. This was popular on TikTok like 2 months ago. I'm a little bit late to the game, but it was sold out everywhere. I actually was able to buy it on the KVD website, and then a month went by and I emailed. I was like, hey, like, what's up with my order? And they just canceled it. So I kind of gave up on trying it. Then my sister let me know it's available on Sephora, so I quickly ordered it. And at the same time, I got the new Nars Sunkist bronzing cream, which apparently is amazing. A lot of you guys said it was great, so I just wanted to do a quick little get ready with me. I have a baby gender reveal, a Zoom gender reveal at 2 p.m, which I'm super excited about, and that's why my hair is like this, because it is actually a greasy mess. Anyways, enough rambling from me. Let's get into the get ready with me. Okay, so starting with my skincare, I'm going to go in with the Desi Vitamin C. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a creamy consistency. It's not like a vitamin C serum, which I actually really don't like. So I'm putting this on. Oh, I forgot my sunscreen. Shoot. I'm going to put a little niacinamide. For sunscreen, I am using Glow Screen from Supergoop. I'm using all the same products I use every day just to give this foundation like a fair chance. And then I'm going to go in with a little Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This stuff, I was using this in grade 11. Why was I using a cream this expensive in grade 11? I don't know, but it reminds me I was using it at like the end of grade 11 when I was graduating. Okay, so my face feels super good. I have to say that cream, not like my absolute favorite cream, but it sits really nice under foundation. This is the foundation. I got the shade medium 027. I did swatch it, but I did not try it. I love cream foundation so much. One of my favorites is the RCMA cream foundation. I'm just gonna put a little lip balm. This is Summer Fridays. This is the shade. This was light medium neutral, so it looks like it's gonna be actually perfect for me. So I'm gonna go in with a Laura Lee brush. This is my favorite foundation. Ooh, ooh. Okay, normally cream foundations are very thick and hard and you have to like press hard, so I just lightly tapped my brush in it and look what happened. Okay, obviously they weren't lying, like less is more with this foundation. Okay, that's from one brush dig. I still haven't gone in for more product, although I did like gouge a huge thing in the product. I'm gonna dab and pick a tiny little bit more. I look crazy. Okay. That's crazy. That coverage was insane. Okay, I'm gonna dab. You only need a really little amount. I like a full coverage look, so I'm good with the coverage I have. It looks so flawless, you guys. It looks so flawless. I am shocked. Okay, so this is just in front of my window. It's a little bit of gloomy lighting, but this is what my skin looks like. Are you kidding? So I am going to do a wear test throughout the day to see how it holds up, but it also like looks like my skin. It is so bizarre. Normally I feel when I put on a foundation with a lot of coverage that I look insane. Like I couldn't just wear that foundation out without like a full face of makeup, but I feel like I could wear this out because it looks very much skin-like. I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer, just a little bit. It's a Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I use the shade Almond. So yeah, I have a gender reveal on Zoom today because here in Canada or Quebec we cannot gather. We have a curfew at 9:30 got pushed to 9:30, so we have a curfew. I think we're the only place in all of North America with a curfew, so that's lovely. I love that. It's been so long now that it just seems normal to me. Like, I can't even imagine a life where I'm allowed outside of my house after 9:30. I don't remember what that was like, because we've had it since January, which is like crazy. I am this close to moving. If I didn't just buy a house in Quebec, I would be gone. I would be moving to anywhere else. Like, honestly, it's insane. I don't care if you're for the vaccine, not for the vaccine. I don't want to start like a whole debate, but I'm finally allowed to get the vaccine. Finally allowed, starting next week. So this is the Nars Lagoona Sunkist bronzing cream. I love a good cream bronzer, so it looks like this. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Okay, so my all-time favorite contour is the Hoola Tantour stick, but they don't sell it at Sephora, and this feels similar. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M523 and pick some up and just go in. Ooh. Okay, this is also a product my sister told me to get. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and dab it, and then I'll use my beauty blender to blend it out. When I was a child, I just really wanted to be a mom. Like, I never had the desire to play with Barbies and Polly Pockets. I always loved baby dolls. I was like playing with baby dolls until I was like too old to be playing with baby dolls. I just loved babies. So I personally will not be having a baby anytime soon. I definitely don't want a baby at least for 5 or 6 years. Now that my friend is having a baby, I get to go love and spoil the baby, and I don't have to have the baby. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so overall, I am obsessed with that cream contour bronzer. It is like the perfect color between not being too cool, where it looks, it's like pinky, you know, and not being too warm. It does remind me of the Benefit Hoola contour stick because it is so blendable, puts coverage but doesn't add like a greasy thick feeling. In comparison to like the Huda Beauty contour, this one is a lot easier to work with, and I do prefer the color. Also, as you guys know, I recently got this one. It is the Patrick Ta, which I've been really enjoying. It comes with like the cream and the bronzer. This one I've also been enjoying. I feel like they're actually pretty similar. So they even look very similar. This one is the Patrick Ta and this one is the Nars. In terms of how they blend out, I feel like the Nars blends out a little bit easier and sits on your face. Like, it almost blends in with your foundation, whereas I feel like this one adds like a very small extra layer. Overall, I'm really impressed with this. I will definitely be using that. I hope it's not limited, and I hope they make it permanent because that is a beautiful product. Moving on to powder, I'm going to go in with my favorite powder and just set my under eye. I'm also going to just bake a tiny little bit in places that I want brighten. So I also this week need to go through and decide which clothes I'm giving away. I decided I'm going to keep it on YouTube. I'm going to post a video, and then you guys can comment if you want to be entered into the giveaway, because I know some people, like, it won't fit the clothes. Don't worry, I'm always doing giveaways. I do gift card giveaways on my Instagram all the time. That's the little update on that. Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to use a pencil because I feel like doing them really quickly today. Have you guys tried this foundation where you suckered into the TikTok hype? I feel like I'm always suckered into the TikTok hype. I'm always like ordering things on Amazon. My eyebrows are never the same, but I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow gel. This is the Brow Freeze Styling Wax from Anastasia. I think it's back in stock now. I really enjoy it. I'm going to be doing a Bougie on a Budget makeup edition with my sister Allie. She put together this little list and she wanted She was like, you should do a bougie on a budget makeup edition. And I was like, no, you need to come on my channel with me and help me do a bougie on a budget makeup edition. I'm not going to steal your ideas. And so I'm going to be probably filming that with her this week. She is like doing so much better. I get so many messages about Allie, and you guys are so cute. And she's coming back to YouTube. She like vlogs all the time. She just like never posts it, but I can tell by just like her energy that she's doing a lot better. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go in with a little bronzer. I'm going to use my sister got me this Physicians Formula Butter Collection. So yeah, this is one of, I think this is one of her dupe things, but she got this for me. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the bronzer. This is actually very powdery. Like, it's hard to use. When you dip into it, there's so much powder that comes out. I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer, just a tiny bit. This is the Viseart palette. I'm going to go in and add some of this color on my lid. It got like brighter in here, didn't it? I'm going in with another Laura Lee brush. This is the L20. I love this for eyeliner. It's the best brush. And I'm going to go in with a little Charlotte Tilbury Barbarella Brown and draw on a line. I want to go by and drive and see the house today. I have to vlog it. I went to vlog an update the other day, and of course there's like 3 people who already live in the neighborhood, and they were all outside, and I was like, there's no way I'm getting out of my car alone and vlogging my house. I'm very shy. I want to show you guys the update. I want to like vlog the progress of it. Going mighty slow, I might add. I'm using the Lancome Hypnose Mascara in brown. I can't wait to show you all house content and like little DIY projects and like paneling and decor. I think I have this issue where I think I can do everything myself. So like, knowing me, I'll probably try to like put an in-ground pool in my backyard by myself. I'm just kidding. I'm not that crazy, but like paneling and like painting and all that stuff, I think I can do it all myself. And actually I'm very excited to do it myself and learn and see what I can accomplish. Ooh. It's a little bit orange, but that's okay. The other things are really nice, like the blush and everything. Okay, what shows have you been watching? I have been watching Below Deck Mediterranean while I'm working in the office. I just love that show. I have been watching Chicago Med. That's like my fall asleep show, because I don't know why, I find medical shows like so easy to fall asleep to. I'm using the Patrick Ta bronzer. And there's no show I'm like currently obsessed with. After New Amsterdam, I feel like there was just like nothing. So I don't know. I've been watching Grey's Anatomy like throughout the season, but I think it's like the worst season yet. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not excited to watch it. I couldn't even watch the episode that just played. It was so boring. I really am not impressed with this. So for blush, I just have to put a little PSA out there. Where is it? I got this new Nars blush. It is the Air Matte blush. I got the color Darling. This is the worst blush. Like, you can put so much on your brush and then it just disappears on your skin. This is my favorite blush though. I don't know if they still make it, but it's the Glow Play Blush in Blush Please from MAC. I love this so much. It's like a cream blush, but not. And I just put a little bit, dab it on there. Okay, so I think that is pretty much it. I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm using Patrick Ta. She's Strong. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little lip balm. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with a little Pillow Talk cream highlight. I haven't been really wearing highlight recently, but it's a special occasion. I'm gonna spray my face with a little of the Soft Veil whatever from Hourglass. And then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Okay, I'm done my makeup. I have to say I am very much in love with it. I definitely did like a little bit of a heavier makeup because Zoom, and I just felt like being a little bit glam today. Overall, I have to say, inspecting my face up close, It looks so good. I'm so impressed. Like I said, I am going to be doing a wear test throughout the day, but if I'm just going off my first impressions, I give it an A+. Like I said though, I do enjoy a really full coverage foundation. I did see online, I think it was Mariana Hewitt, said that she also enjoys it, but she uses a very little amount because it has so much coverage. You can use it as like a concealer or spot treatments, or take a very little amount and spread it across your whole face. Of course, I'm a full glam kind of person, so that's what I did. Here is an up close of my skin. I have to say, I'm very impressed. So I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna see you guys back here in a second to do a check-in. Okay, so it is now a little past 2 p.m. I have to say, I've had this on for like 4 or 5 hours now. I've eaten, I've just been working and editing on the computer, so I haven't really been doing like that strenuous of work. But if I look up close, it looks like just as good as when I first put it on. I haven't like powdered or anything, so it's holding up pretty well. So that is update number 1. I'm gonna change and then get into something comfier. I'll update you guys again a little bit later on, but so far so good. It's not like separating on my skin. I don't feel too oily, so far so good. Okay, I'm back. It's now 5:20. I went out for a little bit and my makeup pretty much looks exactly the same, besides I don't have any lip products on, and I was drinking grape juice, so my lips are purple. There is a little bit of transfer up here from taking off that tight shirt, but that's what that is. But other than that, I would still say it looks very good. It's held up pretty well. I don't look greasy at all. I still have not touched up, so I think for dry skin this is amazing. I don't know about oily skin. I normally get really oily on my nose and like the middle of my forehead here, so we'll see how long it takes before I get really oily. Okay, so I know it's not looking so hot right now. I know I'm not looking so hot right now, but that's because I took a nap and I was like touching my face and I completely forgot about that. So it's not looking so hot, but I have to say that I'm still very impressed with this foundation. I love how it looked throughout the day. I love how it wore. I don't feel like overly greasy. It didn't feel heavy, so I would definitely recommend it. I am excited to use it again tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a nice bath. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I use in this video will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you, and I'll see you guys back here next time.